हे कृष्णा करुणा सिंधु
हे कृष्ण करुणा
दीनबंधु जगत्पते
दीनबंधु जगत्पते
गोपेश गोपिका कांता
गोपेश गोपिका
राधा कांत नमोस्तुते
राधा
तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये
प्रणमामि
जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य
जय
जय
श्री
श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य
प्रभु नित्यानंद
प्रभु नित्यानंद
श्री अद्वैत गदाधर
श्री अद्वैत गदाधर
श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद
श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद
हरे कृष्णा
हरे
हरे कृष्ण
कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे हरे
कृष्ण
कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे
हरे राम
हरे
हरे
राम
राम हरे राम
राम राम हरे हरे
राम राम हरे हरे
Krishna, all of you. So anyone ready with 27 and 26 and 27, right? Or 25, 26? Which one we did?
27 and 28 Mataji.
27 and 20. Want to tell? The 5 symptoms we discussed, right? 5 symptoms of one who has controlled the mind. Yes. Anyone want to tell? Okay, we'll quickly do a revision. Prashanta Manasam. Okay, yeah, Lichita, please.
Mataji, I'm Shiraj.
Oh, Shiraj, please. Yeah, go on.
Yes, Mataji. Prashantamanasam yoginam sukham uttamam upayati shantarachasam brahmabhutam kalmasham yunjanevam sadatmanam yogin vigata kalmashah shantim sukhena brahmasam sparsham atyantam sukham ashnute. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Thank you. Yes, Lishita.
माता जी
Yeah, Lishita.
चक्षुश्चैवान्तरेभ्यो प्राणपानौ समर्पित्वा आसाभ्यन्तरचारिण यतेन्द्रियमनोबुद्धिर् मुनिर्मोक्षपरायण विगते च काय क्रोधो यशदा मुक्त एव सः।
माता जी कैन वी से
Okay, 26, 27. Yeah.
यतो यतो निश्चलति
You want me to share?
यस माता जी यतो यतो निश्चलति मनश्चञ्चलमस्थिरं ततस्ततो नियमेतद् आत्मन्येव वशं नयेत् प्रशान्तं मनसं येनं योगिनं सुखमुत्तमम् उपैति शान्तरजसं ब्रह्मभूतमकल्मषम्
Okay. Yunjanevam.
युञ्जमेवं सदात्मानं योगी विगतकल्मष सुखेन ब्रह्म संस्पश्यन् आद्यन्तं सुखम्
Shnute. Very good. Yes,
हरे
Sudiksha.
कृष्ण माता जी
Hare Krishna.
Yes, Mataji. यतो यतो निश्चलति मनश्चञ्चलमस्थिरं ततस्ततो नियमेतद् आत्मन्येवावशिष्यते शान्तमनसं येनं योगिनं सुखमुत्तमम् उपैति शान्तरजसं ब्रह्मभूतम् अकल्मषं युञ्जनेवं सदात्मानं योगी विगतकल्मषः सुखेन ब्रह्म संस्पर्शम् आत्यन्तं सुखमश्नुते.
Okay, perfect. Yes, Pranati.
Yes, Mataji. यतो यतो निश्चलति मनश्चञ्चलमास्थिरं ततस्ततो नियमेतद् आत्मन्येव वशं नयेत् प्रशान्तमनसं येनं योगिनं सुखमुत्तमम् उपैति शान्तरजसं ब्रह्मभूतं कल्मषं युञ्जनेवं सदात्मानं योगी विगतकल्मषा येन ब्रह्म संस्पर्शम् अत्यन्तं सुखमश्नुते.
Okay, so two examples were given. One is the muddy lake. Another one example was a river which is going to enter into the ocean, right? Both are the things, symptoms of those who have controlled the mind or made the mind as a friend. So here Krishna is telling 5 symptoms. He will be fixed in Krishna or the Lord. He is in happiness. Modern passion doesn't do anything for him. He understands that he is identically, he is who he is and what is his connection with the Lord. And he will be freed from all the past reactions. Right? How these can be, but how others can achieve this? When we constantly engage in the yoga practice. The constant engagement, that is a sadhana, everyday practice. If you do anything every day, what will happen? That will become a habit, right? So practice makes perfection. So if we are doing practice, always then we are free from material contamination and can achieve perfect happiness, which Krishna told here, the transcendental happiness. Okay, so some more symptoms he is going to tell from the coming shlokas. Then Arjuna is going to ask some questions. So here we are in our 29th shloka. So as I said, the chapter 6 shlokas are very simple, but the meanings are very deep. From chapter 7, we are going to start about the Bhakti Yoga. Till now, Krishna told different ways we can please Krishna. It can be either through Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, even by confused, right? Arjuna, Vishada Yoga. Even Arjuna, when he was confused, that he connected with Krishna. So different things we can connect with Krishna. But from chapter 7, it's going to be direct devotional service. Okay. So we'll see some more symptoms of the yogi. So this shloka is similar to some other shloka which we learned in chapter 5. Samadarshana. Anybody remember? Anyone remember this shloka? In chapter 5, shloka 18. Somebody sees everything, everybody the same. A dog eater. Remember that shloka? Anyone? Vidya.
Mataji,
Yes, Vedakshi.
Vidya Vinaya Sampanne, Brahmane Gavihastini, Suniseva Swapakecha, Pandita Samadarshana.
Very good. Samadarshana, the same way, the same thing. Right? This is also, and sixth chapter also, one more shloka was there related. What are the things he sees? He sees the stone, the pebbles, and that is one shloka, Kamaloshtasma Kanchana. And he also sees these things. Surin Mitra, Yudasina, Abhyasta Dvesha Bandhushu, all of them. Sama Buddhir Vishishti. He sees them in equal mind. So all of you should try to connect the shlokas. How Krishna is telling these things, right? Then it will be interesting. Bhagavad Gita is like it's a puzzle you can solve. You can put different things and it will be something else actually to solve the puzzle. Okay? So the same as the Pandita Samadarshana. Sarvatra Samadarshana. Okay? The yogi also can see things because he is connecting with Krishna, right? So he also sees Krishna, the Paramatma, in all of us. Sarva Bhuta Sarva Bhuta Stam Sarva Bhutastam Sarva Bhutastam Atmanam
Atmanam.
Yeah, everybody try to repeat. Atmanam
Atmanam.
sarvabhutastam
सर्वभूतस्थमात्मानं
sarvabhutastam.
Sarvabhutasthamaatmanam.
Very good. So all the living entities, right? Sarva bhutani,
Bhutani.
sarva bhutani,
Sarvabhutani.
sarva bhutani,
Sarvabhutani.
chatmani,
Chatmani.
chatmani,
Chatmani.
sarva bhutani, chatmani.
Sarvabhutani.
Okay. We'll tell the two lines. Sarva bhutastam atmanam.
Sarvabhutasthamaatmanam.
Sarva bhutastam atmanam.
Sarvabhutasthamaatmanam.
Sarva bhutani chatmani.
सर्वभूतानि चात्मनि
Sarva bhutani chatmani.
सर्वभूतानि चात्मनि
Okay, a yogi can see that all the living entities are present in Krishna. And in every living entity, Krishna is also present. The two things. Okay. He is present in each living entity, and all the living entity are present in it. Okay, these two lines. Sarva bhutastam atmanam.
सर्वभूतस्थमात्मानं
Sarva bhutani chatmani.
सर्वभूतानि चात्मनि
Okay, Pranati.
विस्मतति सर्वभूतस्थमात्मानं सर्वभूतानि चात्मनि
Lishita.
सर्वभूतास्तमात्मानं सर्वभूतानि
Chatmani. Okay, Vedamshi.
Sarvabhutastham.
Bhutastam.
Bhutastham atmanam. Sarvabhutani chatmani.
Very good. Meera, want to try? Right?
Okay. Sarvabhudasthamatmanam sarvabhudani chatmani.
That's it. You did good. Thank you. Yeah, Sudiksha.
Sarvabhutani chatmani.
Mataji, can we say
Yeah, yes, Abhidu Krishna.
Sarvabhuta Bhutastamatmanam Sarvabhutani Chatma.
Chatmani. Very good, Shiraj.
सर्वभूतस्थमात्मानं सर्वभूतानि चात्मनि. हरे कृष्ण माताजी.
Devahuti, yes. You there? Anyone else? Yeah, Aradhya.
Mataji.
Okay, yeah.
Sarvabhutasthamatmanam sarvabhutani chatmani. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna, yes, Devahuti.
Sarvabhutasthamatmanam sarvabhutani chatmani.
Okay, two things. All of you told, right? Two things is that all the living entity is present in Krishna, and in every living entity, Krishna is also present. Ikshate. Ikshate, long he, okay? Ikshate.
Ikshate.
Yoga.
Yoga.
Yuktatma.
Yuktatma.
Yoga Yuktatma.
Yuktatma.
Ikshate Yoga Yuktatma.
Ikshate Yoga Yukta.
Ikshate Yoga Yuktatma.
योगयुक्तात्मा
Okay. Sarva Bhutastam Atmanam.
सर्वमात्मनं
Sarva Bhutastam Atmanam.
Sarvabhutasthamatmanam.
Sarva Bhutani Chatmani.
सर्वभूतानि चात्मनि
सर्वभूतानि चात्मनि
सर्वभूतानि चात्मनि
ईक्षते योगयुक्तात्मा
ईक्षते योगयुक्तात्मा
ईक्षते योगयुक्तात्मा
ईक्षते योगयुक्तात्मा
सर्वत्र
सर्वत्र
सम दर्शनः
दर्शनः
सर्वत्र समदर्शनः
सर्वत्र समदर्शनः
okay it's like that pandita samadarshana ईक्षते योगयुक्तात्मा
ईक्षते योगयुक्तात्मा
ईक्षते योगयुक्तात्मा
ईक्षते योगयुक्तात्मा
सर्वत्र समदर्शनः
सर्वत्र समदर्शनः
सर्वत्र समदर्शनः
सर्वत्र समदर्शनः
okay full shloka सर्वभूतस्थमात्मानं
सर्वभूतस्थमात्मा
आत्मानं
आत्मानं
सर्वभूतानि चात्मनि
सर्वभूतानि चात्मनि
ईक्षते योगयुक्तात्मा
ईक्षते योगयुक्तात्मा
सर्वत्र समदर्शनः
सर्वत्र समदर्शनः
okay one more time सर्वभूतस्थमात्मानं
सर्वभूतस्थमात्मानं
सर्वभूतानि चात्मनि
सर्वभूतानि चात्मनि
ईक्षते योगयुक्तात्मा
ईक्षते योगयुक्तात्मा
सर्वत्र समदर्शनः
सर्वत्र समदर्शनः
perfect okay yes Lishita please
सर्वभूतस्थमात्मानं सर्वभूतानि चात्मनि ईक्षते योगयुक्तात्मा सर्वत्र समदर्शनः
very good Pranati
माताजी सर्वभूतस्थमात्मानं सर्वभूतानि चात्मनि ईक्षते योगयुक्तात्मा सर्वत्र समदर्शिनः
perfect Aradhya
सर्वभूतस्थमात्मानं सर्वभूतानि चात्मनि ईक्षते योगयुक्तात्मा सर्वत्र समदर्शनः
okay Vedamshi
माताजी सर्वभूतस्थमम् आत्मानं सर्वभूतानि चात्मनि ईक्षते योगयुक्तात्मा
सर्वत्र
सर्वदर्शनः
okay Sudiksha
माताजी सर्वभूतस्थमात्मानं सर्वभूतानि चात्मनि ईक्षते योगयुक्तात्मा सर्वत्र समदर्शनः
okay Abhijit Vishwajit Ladini no avatar
सर्वभूतस्थमात्मानं सर्वभूतानि चात्मनि ईक्षते योगयुक्तात्मा सर्वत्र समदर्शनः
very good Shiraj bhutastham
सर्वभूतस्थमात्मानं सर्वभूतानि चात्मनि ईक्षते योगयुक्तात्मा
सर्वत्र
दर्शनः हरे कृष्ण माताजी
सर्वत्र समदर्शनः okay Meera
Yes, Mataji. सर्वभूतस्थमात्मानं सर्वभूतानि चात्मनि ईक्षते योगयुक्तात्मा सर्वत्र समदर्शनः
very good thank you Devahuti
सर्वभूतस्थमात्मानं सर्वभूतानि चात्मनि ईक्षते योगयुक्तात्मा सर्वत्र समदर्शनः
okay anyone else Mitran or Janavi
माताजी
Janavi.
सर्वभूतस्थमात्मानं सर्वभूतानि चात्मनि ईक्षते योगयुक्तात्मा सर्वत्र समदर्शन.
Okay, Mithran want to tell?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, go.
Sarvabhutastanam atmanam sarvabhutani chatni ikshate yoga yuktatma sarvatra sama darshana.
Okay, perfect. Okay, Aradhya, can you read the translation?
Yes, Mataji. A true yogi observes me in all beings and also sees every being in me. Indeed, the self-realized person sees me, the same Supreme Lord, everywhere.
Okay. Vedamshi want to read? Anyone
Yes,
else?
A true yogi observes me, all living beings,
You did tell the shloka.
and also sees everything in me. In need, the self-realized person sees me, the same Supreme Lord, everywhere.
Everywhere. Yes. Ladini.
Mataji,
Yeah, tell the shloka and the
okay, Mataji. Sarvabhuta
Bhutastam
Satmatma
Atmanam
Sarvabhutani Chintatmi
Chatmani
Chatmani Ikshate Yoga Yuktatma Sarvasama Dharashnana.
Sarvatra Samadarshana. Sarvatra Samadarshana.
Sarvatra Samadarshana. A true yogi observes me in all beings, also sees every being in me. Indeed, the self-realized person sees me, the same Supreme Lord everywhere. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Okay. So here three things.
Mataji, can I read?
Yeah. Yes. Yes, Lishida.
A true yogi observes me in all beings and also sees every being in me. Indeed, the self-realized person sees me, the same Supreme Lord, everywhere.
Okay. The 3-4 things which Krishna is telling, that Sarva Bhutastam Atmanam. The true yogi, he sees that every living entity is present in the Lord, and the Lord is present in every living entity. Samadarshana, the same Supreme Lord everywhere. Okay, so he can see the same Supreme Lord everywhere, who is present in all beings, and he is also, all beings are also present in him. Okay. So similar shloka, this also, Krishna is telling, but one who sees like this, the yogi who sees that all living entity are present in me, and I am present in all living entity, the result, what will be the result? The result is, he's never lost to me, never lost. I mean, that means Krishna is going to be always there for them, those people who sees Krishna everywhere and sees Krishna is there in every living entity. Like the Pandita, right? The Pandita, he can see in every living entity the Supreme Lord. So yogi also, he has a similar vision. So Krishna is telling, if somebody is like that, then he is never lost, nor is he ever lost to me. He is going to be there always for me. So we'll go with the shloka. Yomam Pashyati.
Pashyati.
Yomam Pashyati.
Yomam Pashyati.
Sarvatra.
Sarvatra.
Okay, Sarvatra means everywhere. Pashyati means seeing. Yomam Pashyati Sarvatra.
Yomam Pashyati Sarvatra.
Yomam Pashyati Sarvatra.
Yomam Pashyati Sarvatra.
Sarvam cha
Sarvatra.
Mayi.
Mayi.
Sarvam cha Mayi.
Sarvam cha Mayi.
Pashyati.
Pashyati.
Sarvam cha Mayi Pashyati.
Sarvam cha Mayi Pashyati.
Sarvam cha Mayi Pashyati.
Sarvam cha Mayi Pashyati.
Okay. He sees everything as Krishna. Yomam Pashyati Sarvatra.
यो मां पश्यति सर्वत्र
Yo mam pashyati sarvatra.
यो मां पश्यति सर्वत्र
Sarvam cha mayi pashyati.
सर्वं च मयि पश्यति
Sarvam cha mayi pashyati.
सर्वं च मयि पश्यति.
One example of one great devotee who saw Krishna Krishna everywhere. Anybody remember?
Mataji, Prahlad.
Ah, very good. Yes,
Prahlad
perfect. Prahlad Maharaj. And there is one more devotee who saw everything in Krishna.
Dhruva Maharaj.
Very good. Thank you. Yeah, Dhruva Maharaj saw everything in Krishna. When he was closing his eyes and meditating, he saw the whole universe is within Krishna. But Prahlad Maharaj, he was opening his eyes and he was chanting, right? He was preaching for Krishna, about Krishna and telling about Krishna and going around talking about Krishna. He was seeing everywhere Krishna, but Dhruva Maharaj was seeing within it that Krishna, everybody, every living entity is present within Krishna. So both of them, what happened? What was the end result for them? For Prahlad Maharaj? Huh?
Lord Krishna gave them his supreme mercy.
Yes, his supreme mercy. What was that mercy for Prahlad Maharaj?
He came in the
Darshan
form
of
as
Narasimhadev.
He came as Nrsimhadev, yes. He took an avatar for him. What about Dhruva Maharaj?
For Dhruva Maharaj, he gave
He
the
came as
whole
Vishnu.
pole star.
He gave full star. Shiraj, what he told?
Mataji, Vishnu came. He
Vishnu
appeared,
came.
Lord appeared in front of Dhruva Maharaj in the form of Vishnu.
Yes, Dhruva Maharaj was meditating on the form because he don't know how Vishnu looks. But he just heard the description from Narada Muni and he was meditating. To give him the special mercy, he appeared in front of him. And at the end, what happened? He gave him, because he desired for the planet or desired for a wealth which is bigger than his great-grandfather. That means more than
Then
Brahma.
Brahma.
Yeah,
Greater
so he
than
got.
Brahma.
But when he saw Krishna, he was not so happy with that, right? He told that he is whatever Krishna wishes, he can give. But Krishna gave him Dhruva Loka, the planet, a separate planet for him. So both of them, what happened, Prahlad and Dhruva, Krishna was always there, right? For Prahlad, whenever he was in a trouble, Krishna was always there present. So Krishna is here telling he is never lost to him, nor is he ever lost to me. That I am always there for him. In any situation, never lost to me. He is always going to take care of those people who see Krishna everywhere and who sees everybody in Krishna. Okay? Two principles all of you understood, right? Seeing Krishna everywhere and everybody in Krishna, seeing that every living entity is within Krishna. These are the two simple principles. Krishna is telling if somebody understands that he is going to be never lost to me. Okay? So we'll go to the. Did you all tell the two lines? No, right? Okay. So we'll tell one more time. Yo mam pashyati sarvatra.
Yo mam pashyati sarvatra.
Sarvam chamai pashyati.
Sarvam cha mayi pashyati.
Okay, Pranati.
Yes, Mataji. Yo mam pashyati sarvatra sarvam cha mayi pashyati.
Very good. Lishita.
Yo mam pashyati sarvatra sarvam cha mayi pashyati.
Very good. Vedamshi.
Yes, Mataji. Yo mam pashyati sarvatra sarvam cha mayi pashyati.
Aradhya.
Yo mam pashyati sarvatra sarvam cha mayi pashyati. Hare Krishna.
Sudiksha. Sudiksha.
Yo mam pashyati sarvatra sarvam cha mayi pashyati tasyaham na pranashyami sa च मे न प्रणश्यति.
Very good. Abhijit Vishwajit.
यो मां पश्यति सर्वत्र सर्वं च मयि
Pashyati. Okay, Devavati.
Yo mam pashyati sarvatra sarvam cha mayi pashyati.
Very good. Meera?
यो मां पश्यति सर्वत्र सर्वं च मयि पश्यति.
Very good.
Hare Krishna.
Shiraj? Okay. Jahnavi? Jahnavi is not there. Mitra? Mithrun? Okay. So if you're all back, then please raise your hands. Okay. Yeah, we'll tell the third line. Okay, third line. Tasyaham. Tasyaham
तस्याहं
na
न
pranashyami.
प्रणश्यामि.
Tasyaham na pranashyami. Tasyaham na pranashyami.
तस्याहं न प्रणश्यामि
Okay. Sa
सा
chame.
च मे
Sa chame
स च मे
na
न
pranashyati.
प्रणश्यति
Sa chame na pranashyati.
स च मे न प्रणश्यति
Sa chame na pranashyati.
स च मे न प्रणश्यति.
Okay. We'll go to the full shloka. Yo mam pashyati sarvatra
यो मां पश्यति सर्वत्र
sarvam cha mayi pashyati.
सर्वं च मयि पश्यति
Sarvam cha mayi pashyati.
सर्वं च मयि पश्यति
Tasyaham na pranashyami.
तस्याहं
न प्रणश्यामि.
Tasyaham na pranashyami. Sa cha me na pranashyati.
स च मे न प्रणश्यति
Sa cha me na pranashyati.
स च मे न प्रणश्यति.
Yo mam pashyati sarvatra.
यो मां पश्यति सर्वत्र
Yo mam pashyati sarvatra.
यो मां पश्यति सर्वत्र
Okay. Sarvam cha mayi pashyati.
सर्वं च मयि पश्यति. लड़कों लोग
Tas-
देखा जितना बैकग्राउंड
Tasyaham na pranashyami.
तस्याहं न प्रणश्यामि
Tasyaham na pranashyami.
तस्याहं न प्रणश्यामि
Sa cha me na pranashyati.
सच में न प्रणश्यति
Sa cha me na pranashyati.
सच में न प्रणश्यति.
Anybody remember this word pranashyati? We have pranati here. But you remember this word pranashyati in the chapter 4?
Yes, Mataji, but I don't remember the sloka.
Bhaktya bhaktah na 4.31, I think. Bhaktya mam vijanati. Remember 4:31? There also one pranashyati will come. Pranashyati means Krishna will save personally. He is not going to let us go anywhere. 31 or 32? Let's check. No, not 31, 32. Not 32, I'm sorry. Remember, but somewhere in the 4th chapter, Krishna is telling for my devotees, Name bhaktya pranashyati. Kaunteya pratijanahi. Remember this shloka? No? Okay, find out. My devotees never.
Mataji, Bhaktya Mam Baijanati Name Pranashyati. There's Pranashyati at the last one.
Last word, right? Pranashyati means Krishna is telling, I will protect myself. I'm not going to send somebody else. I'm going to personally come and protect. So here also that Pranashyati is telling, he is never lost to me. That means Krishna is going to personally protect the person. Tasyaham na pranashyami. Pranashyati means personally giving protection by the Lord. Okay. So these interesting words you should capture and find out where other shlokas we also find, right? Today we found Samadarshana. There was one shloka, right? So we'll do this again. Yomam pashyati sarvatra.
Yo mam pashyati sarvatra.
Sorry. Sarvam cha mai pashyati.
Sarvam mai pashyati.
Tasyaham na pranashyami.
Tasyaham na pranashyami.
Sacha me na pranashyati.
Sacha me na pranashyati.
Okay, I'll start with Lishita, please.
यो मां पश्यति सर्वत्र सर्वं च मयि पश्यति तस्याहं न प्रणश्यामि स च मे न प्रणश्यति.
Very good. Pranati.
Yes, Mataji. Yo mam pashyati sarvatra sarvam cha mai pashyati tasyaham na pranashyami sacha me na pranashyati.
Very good. Yeah, Aradhya.
Yo Mam Pashyati Sarvatra Sarvam Chamai Pashyati Tasyaham Na Pranashyami Sachamena Pranashyati.
Vedamshi.
यो मां पश्यति सर्वत्र सर्वं च मयि पश्यति तस्याहं प्रणश्यामि
Sachame.
प्रणश्यति. हरे
Very
कृष्ण.
good. Hare Krishna. Sudiksh. Yeah, Shiraj, please.
तस्मात् यो मां पश्यति सर्वत्र सर्वं च मयि पश्यति तस्याहं न प्रणश्यामि स च मे न प्रणश्यति. हरे कृष्ण मातरि.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Sudiksha.
माताजी यो मां पश्यति सर्वत्र सर्वं च मयि पश्यति तस्याहं न प्रणश्यामि स च मे न प्रणश्यति. हरे कृष्ण माताजी.
Very good. Aradhya. Aradhya told, sorry. Mithran,
Mataji, I said.
you said, right? Yeah.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Janavi, Mithran.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, tell the full shloka.
Hey, Mataji. Yomam pashyati sarvatra sarvam cha mai pashyati tasyaham na pranashyami sacha me na pranashyati.
Pranashyati. Very good. Janavi.
यो मं पश्यति सर्वत्र सर्वं च मयि पश्यति तस्याहं न प्रणश्यामि स च मे न प्रणश्यति.
Very good. Devahuti.
यो मां पश्यति सर्वत्र सर्वं च मयि पश्यति तस्याहं न प्रणश्यामि स च मे न प्रणश्यति.
Very good.
Mataji, yes.
1 minute. Meera, after Meera.
Yes, Mataji. Yo मां पश्यति सर्वत्र सर्वं च मयि पश्यति तस्याहं न प्रणश्यामि स च मे न प्रणश्यति.
Thank you. Very good. Abhijit, Vishwajit.
Yo mam pashyati sarvatra sarvam cha mai pashyati tasyaham na pranashyami sa cha me na
Pranashyati. Okay. Ladini. We can't hear you. Are you telling? Okay, we'll repeat one more time. Okay, all of us. Yo mam pashyati sarvatra.
यो मां पश्यति सर्वत्र
Sarvam cha mai pashyati.
सर्वं च मयि पश्यति
तस्याहं न प्रणश्यामि स च मे न प्रणश्यति. Okay, Meera, want to read the translation?
Mataji, can
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, one more time. Yes, Meera,
Translation.
go.
Translation. For one who sees me everywhere and sees everything in me, I am never lost, nor is he ever lost to me. Hare
Lost to
Krishna,
me.
Mataji.
Very good. Thank you, Meera. Yes,
Hare
Vedamshi.
Krishna.
Yes, Mataji. For one who sees me everywhere and sees everything in me, I am never lost, nor is he ever lost to me.
Okay, Devahuti and Ladini. Want to tell? I can't hear Ladini actually.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, yeah.
Mataji, can I tell?
Hmm.
For one who sees me everywhere and sees everything in me, I am never lost, nor is he ever lost to me.
Lost to me. Pranati?
Yes, Mataji. For one who sees me everywhere and sees everything in me, I am never lost, nor he is ever lost to me.
Okay, so this Pranashyati word is not 431, I'm sorry. It is 9th chapter 31 shloka. Okay, I missed it. So as we go on, we can learn. Pranashyati means who is one who is personally protected by, and nothing happens to him because he is personally protected by Krishna himself. Okay, two things. What are the two things we saw today? Seeing everyone in Krishna. Another
Mataji,
thing is
seeing everyone in Krishna and seeing Krishna in everyone and everywhere.
yeah, everywhere. So every living entity is present in Krishna, and Krishna is also present in everyone. If you understand this, then you will be protected from the greatest of dangers. Krishna is going to be always there for all of us. Okay? Right? Interesting shloka, right? There are many shlokas like this going to come. We should try to connect everything. Okay? Yeah? Any doubt? All clear, right? We had two examples, Dhruva Maharaj and Prahlad Maharaj, for these two things. Yeah? Understood? These two concepts? Okay, perfect. Any doubt? No.
Mataji.
Perfect. Very good. Okay, so to next week we'll do till 24, all of us, I think all of you did. But we'll try to do 10 shlokas from now, 21 to 30. We did 30 today, right? So 10 shlokas, we can revise it on Tuesday, 21 to 30. Okay? Perfect. We'll chant one Hare Krishna mantra. Everyone? Hare Krishna, Hare
Hare Krishna,
Krishna Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare Hare,
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare,
Hare Rama, Rama Rama,
Hare
Hare
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Mataji.
Krishna,
Hare Krishna
Mataji. Bye,
Mitran, Hare
Mataji.
Krishna Jahnavi,
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna
Hare Krishna.
Meera, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna Ladini, Hare Krishna Abhijit Rishijit, Hare Krishna Devahuti, Hare Krishna.